Hi everyone, today we will talk about one of the most important topic in Python, exception handling in Python. It helps us handle errors smoothly so our program doesn't crash unexpectedly. Let's understand by using example. In the first example, I'm trying to generate an zero division error by just dividing 10 with 0. If I run this program, I got zero division error. In the next example, I'm trying to handle error using try except block. So the code inside the try block runs normally. If an error occurs, Python jumps to the except block to handle the error gracefully. Here you see. In the next example, I'm trying to handle multiple exceptions at the same time. If I run it, after entering a value, if I put 0 and try to run it again, I got the number cannot be 0 just because in that case when I put 0 as an input value, my compiler goes into zero division error. But similarly, if I provide any invalid input like Ayush, I got please enter a valid input. So Python automatically detect that which except block is a right way to implement here. In the next example, using else and finally block. So in this example, else runs only if no exception occur and finally always run. And one thing that final is very useful for closing files or cleaning resources. Like if you open a file and you forget to close it, then always try to put file.close into the finally block. So if I run this code, I get trying to divide and division successfully, result 5, and this block runs no matter what, just because it is written in the finally block. In the next example, I'm trying to raising custom exception. So if I run this code, actually I'm able to see a custom exception which is written by me, age must be 18 or above. So in the next video, we will learn about file handling in Python, how to read, write, manage files easily using Python code. And don't forget to like and follow for more.